Hey guys, let me introduce you to lumbar traction here at Precision Care. This patient here is in our lumbar traction table room, and we just want to set up this patient and show you what actually it is, how we do it, what it's all about, and how simple it is and how much relief you're going to get. First and foremost, when you have back pain, you'll get on this table. We will help you out if you're in severe pain. You're going to lay on your back. That's what's required, okay? We have a couple of straps here. So this first strap goes around the chest plate, okay, or the chest rather. So she's petite, so it's going to be a little more kind of like wrapped around her for a snug feel. The second one goes around the waist. There's a belt here. We're gonna put that on as well. It should be comfortable. It's not super tight. It's just snug. That clips in. That's gonna be our main device. To keep her in good position, we have these armrests. So that's gonna go underneath the arms. Now again, we wanna close the space. She's a little small, so we could turn it for her. So now she's there, nice and comfy, right? And then the other side as well, nice and comfy. That's actually how she's resisting that traction. A very loose and comfortable position for the lumbar spine is when you're laying on your back and your feet are like that and your knees are bent, right? So even if you have back pain and you cannot get into here for treatment, the thing you can do to relieve your back pain at home is to put yourself in this type of position. This is a nice position for your spine. So again, in traction, you're in that position, so it's already comfortable. You're starting in a comfortable space. This is the apparatus. This is our actual machine. This is the magic. So we're gonna release the rope, right? We're gonna pull it back. I'm gonna pin it onto the belt, okay? I'm gonna set the tension on the rope. Now, what the machine will start to do once I turn it on is it's gonna pull her lower part of her body away from her middle part of her body. And when it does that, what you're doing is you're actually opening up the lumbar spine. You're gapping it a bit so the disc has an opportunity to retract back into its place, which will give you relief for back pain, discogenic pain, protruding discs, and overall a nice relaxation for that tension that you have in your back. This is the setup. The person is already all in, patient is fully set up, the table set up. The last thing to do is we set the weight. So she's about 120 pounds. We generally do 50% of the body weight to start. So we set it up to 60 pounds of force, so 60 pounds of tension, which might seem like it's a lot, but really 60 pounds is not that much. It's actually very, very gentle, very, very subtle. It's gonna pull at 60, hold for 30 seconds, let it go, rest at 10 seconds. It's a quick, rapid flow. And this is gonna go on for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the tolerance of the patient. So I'm just gonna set the machine up. All I have to do now is hit start, and the machine does the rest. A safety switch, we usually give it to the patient just in case something feels weird. Just like on a treadmill, you hit the button, the machine will automatically stop. So no one really hits this button, but just in case, we're gonna just let you hold that button there, and if something feels strange, push the right button, the machine will automatically stop. You feel the tension, you feel that pull?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect, and that's all. So it's gonna pull for 30, relax for 10, and it's gonna continuously do that motion. And that's traction of Precision Care, so come get it. This is an ideal treatment for patients that have low back pain, patients that have any discogenic pain, any pain that's from the disc driven that's kind of going down the legs, any sciatica type pain, any diagnosis of any disc bulges or herniations or protrusions. Sometimes when you just have muscle tightness and muscle tension, this elongates those muscles to kind of give some release to that space. So any type of back pain can benefit from lumbar traction.